Oh, they've got Pokemon Oreos. I don't even like Oreos. I just like them because I want to buy them because they're Pokemon Oreos. Hi friends. We are now at Angkor Market. Angkor Market. We have two things that we need to get. We need to get a blender because our blender has smashed accidentally, and we also need to do a video of the junk food aisle. So let's do this. Do you want to go down the junk food aisle first?
It smells like a Walmart.
Yeah, it does. Okay, we're gonna go down the junk food aisle.
I don't remember what a Walmart was.
Oh, so much junk food. So much Western food. Hey, look at all the chocolate bars. Chocolate bars, what? Where? Where did you see them?
I had it before.
Oh wow, they have Nesquik.
Can we get Nesquik?
We were gonna go down the junk food aisle. I think we're just checking to see. Look at how many cool Western things. Are you getting your coffee, Gareth?
I don't know about Nesquik because it means you're gonna drink a crap ton of milk.
And being that you're lactose intolerant, I don't think it's a great idea. They've got so many different types of coffee, but mostly it's like the sachet that you mix and add.
I was like, no, you can make it with water.
Here's some junk food aisle. Got tons of Oreos. I love how many. Oh, they've got Pokemon Oreos. I don't even like Oreos. I just like them because I want to buy them because they're Pokemon Oreos.
Oreos are in our pantry.
The golden one.
Add levels to Pokemon Go.
It's disgusting.
Shh, be quiet. You're ridiculous. I would. Yeah, press 100. They've got lots of really delicious looking cookies. So a lot of the stuff here is from the UK and also from France. So if you're like, oh man, I really miss having specific things.
There's a 10% chance to get a rainbow Charizard.
Really?
Yeah.
That's not what that said.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, rainbow cookies.
Kids like them.
Those are pretty delicious. I mean, rainbow anything. A lot of British. Are those like Fig Newton? Are those boba cookies? I don't know what's going on. Lots and lots of different. Lots of different types of Lays. And Pringles and the classics, short stacks.
Y'all, welcome to Angkor Market. Oh, jalapeno cheddar.
Jalapeno cheddar.
Cheddar.
Oh, yes. Oh, they've got these, but it makes me a little sad because I don't really like the everything style one. I'd rather just have the salt one. But they do have pretzels. Let's get pretzels. Oh, and you can also get the prime.
Pink.
It's
Alright, let's not get too much.
No,
strawberry watermelon.
strawberry watermelon. Okay, all right, this is the junk food aisle. So,
Getting distracted by the stuff. Let's go.
Can I get some of this? It's really cheap.
Oh, should I could get a
I
Twix?
mean, I just want to, don't we look happy?
Lays.
So happy.
Yeah, very happy.
Dude, I remember when there were actual smiles, not
Go get
AI.
Okay, lots of our delicious favorite snacks. What are we getting? Where's the Twix? Show me down the aisle. Okay. There's another cookie junk food aisle that we're gonna go down.
The Pokemon Oreo says instant level 40.
You're so ridiculous. I'm so close to level 40 anyways. Stop teasing me. Oh, this is the alcohol aisle. Lots of different frozen berries. Lots of frozen goods. Oh, and Twix bars. Of course, these are the different types of chocolates that you can get. Twirls, a lot of like Milky Way. But yeah, Milo's getting those instead of a chocolate bar, right? Right.
No, I'm joking.
Okay. All right, should we go take the escalator upstairs and see if we can find a table? Are you getting one of those for you?
Strawberry biting.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm gonna get a Twix bar. All right, should we get a basket? Where's Dad? Guess how much these are? This one and this one. Dad and I looked. Wanna guess?
What is it? $75.
This one and this one. This one is $50.
That's $75.
This is $75 for a clothing dryer hanger.
Scam, dude.
What did you just say?
Freaking scam.
It's a scam. The Philips? Yeah. What's the difference between this Philips and this Philips?
What?
450 watts.
47.
How many watts is this? Oh, this one's 700.
700. So that's probably going to do more of the things that we want it to do.
This one? This
Okay.
one? Okay. We'll get this one.
Let's get it.
Oh, it says premium glass again.
That
Premium.
one looks better though. In my opinion, it just looks better.
Okay. Well, this one's got it's a stronger engine and it's got 2-year warranty.
Hello. Bye.